So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what gold is actually going to be giving us. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be giving us for the day, for the week, sorry, make sure you click on the subscribe button. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start today's trade. Remember guys, first thing, before you take a trade, you need to know this thing. First thing you need to know is your trend. Second thing you need to know is to trade with the trend. So basically, you need to know what the trend is in order for you to trade with a trend. This is the perfect way of trading. Now let's start with this trend right here. If you have to zoom it out right here on this our weekly time frame, what can you say the trend is on your weekly time frame right here? You can clearly see it right here, guys, that our gold is in an uptrend move, right? We are in an uptrend move. Gold is literally in an uptrend move, right? We can see a series of higher high and higher low. That is what market is currently giving us. Now, let's zoom it in right here. We saw that this market was able to give us this high. Then it came back again to give us this pullback, right? Market then was able to push up again to give us a new high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to give us this new higher high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low, right? Market then did push up again to give us this new higher high, right, that took out this previous high right here. It pushed up to give us a new high that took out this previous high, right? Now, guess what market did? Market eventually gave us a pullback again to form an equal higher low. So you can see that market literally pulled back to form an equal higher low, right? This is an equal higher low that market's giving it to form. Then if you take a look at what market did there, so market then push up and it now came back again. It came back again. So now the market has come back to test this support level, right? We should be expecting market to push up again. That is what we should be expecting. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on our gold. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not hitting buy on your gold, now is actually the best time to actually hoping for the buy. Probably once the market opens, we can now look to going for the buy. So we'll be expecting market to give us that buy setup and continue to push up. So a bullish move, right, is what you should be expecting on your gold. Now let's go down to our daily time frame right here. This is the daily time frame. This is our multiple rejection that market is rejecting from. We had this rejection first, then we had this rejection again, right? We also added this rejection again, right? Then if you have to zoom it in, you see that market did give us a rejection right here, right, before it bounced up, right? Market eventually drop again to retest the same level. So this is one of the reasons why we are going to be expecting a rejection from this level. So we should be expecting a rejection from this level and let's see what market will do, then eventually bounce up. So a bullish move, right, is what we should be expecting on our gold. We should expect gold to reject from this support level and continue to push up. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your gold, right, be going in for the buy. So a bullish move, right, the buy is what you should be expecting on gold. Now let's zoom it in further. This is our weekly time frame, which is our 4-hour time frame, right? You can see that previously market was trending to the downside. As you can see, a series of lower low and a lower high. Then a lower low was made, right? Then here comes this lower high before another lower low was made, right? So if you take a look at what market did right here, market eventually push up to take out this previous lower high right here. This is it. Market took out this previous lower high, thereby giving us a change of character. You all know what a change of character means, a coach. The market eventually pull back and it did give us some more push up to form a new higher high. This is a pullback that's formed an higher low. So with this pullback, which is an higher low, we should expect market to push up one more time again to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, one more movement to the upside is what we should be expecting on gold. So I'll space for a bullish move this week on gold. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.